Hello, tech lovers. Welcome back to g2GyanKey. Today, we've got something quite intriguing on our desk. If you're into creating intuitive interfaces for your projects, this one's a game changer. And here it is, the DWIN HMI 5-inch smart screen. Priced at Rs 4,299, this isn't just any display, it's a smart screen, and you're about to find out why. Firstly, look at this design. It's sleek, with a resolution of 480x854. But what really stands out is its brightness of 250 nits. Imagine having clear visibility even in bright daylight. But the true power of this display isn't just in showing things. It's interactive, thanks to its resistive touch capability. On the tech side of things, it operates on a typical 5V, has a massive 16 of flash memory, and a RAM of 128 GB. And let's not forget it's colored with a whopping 16.7 color spectrum. The built-in software, DGUS II, turns this from a simple screen to a smart screen. I'm talking designing custom UIs like buttons, sliders, graphs, and text displays. The sky's the limit with the customization you can achieve. Now, I want to know, how many of you have worked on a project where you needed an intuitive interface like this? Comment below. Whether it's for home automation, DIY projects, or professional interfaces, having an easy-to-use UI can drastically improve user experience. And guess what? It's compatible with just about all microcontroller boards, interfacing through I2C or UART. To wrap up, this is a solid piece of tech, right out of China, for those who want more than just display. An interactive, customizable, and vibrant screen for your diverse projects. Found this review insightful? Give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to g2GyanKey for more tech explorations. Have questions or project ideas involving this display? Drop a mail at g2GyanKey@gmail.com. Let's innovate together.